boy, are you ready for your party today?
Yep.
Let's go!
Take me to the party, let me stay up all night. You could be my heart, shining like a flashlight. Everywhere we go, we gon' let them know that we be feeling hard. Take me to the party, take me to the...
Welcome to Jordan's 7th birthday party!
Here we go!
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, let's all clap our hands to our birthday boy, Jordan!
The reason why Super Mario sa'yo, Jordan, kasi you are my super hero, anak. Okay? Nakikita ko sa'yo na yung potential mo na you wanna be like a pilot, you wanna be like a policeman, you wanna be like a soldier. So, nakikita ko sa mga galaw mo na you are super hero, anak, kasi napakagaling mo sa lahat ng bagay. And the reason why Mario, because Mario is a superhero. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Jordan! Happy birthday, Jordan! We love you!
The reason why Jordan Tyler, actually he's one of my my best NBA player. Naglalaro pa ako ng basketball noon. Idol ko talaga si Michael Jordan. And then the reason why Tyler, Jordan Tyler, if you gonna search in Google, Tyler is the strongest person. So yun, pinagsama ko siya. Yung idol ko and then the strongest person, yun, Jordan Tyler. Ayan.
Happy birthday, Jordan! Hey! Happy birthday, Jordan!
Happy birthday, Jordan! Happy birthday, Jordan!
Happy birthday, anak. Wish you all the best. Okay? Lahat ginagawa ko para sa'yo. Ginagawa namin ni Mami para sa'yo. Alright? And sana magustuhan mo nung special birthday mo. Okay? Even your birthday is February 2. But ginanap natin this February 9. That will be okay. Medyo malapit pa rin. I love you so much. Lahat gagawin ko para sa'yo. Alright?
Happy birthday, Jordan! Happy birthday, Jordan!
Wish ko sa'yo, anak, lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos, tsaka mabuting bata. Tapos bawas-bawasan mo yung pagiging makulit mo. Yun, mahal na mahal ka namin. Yan, sana ma-enjoy mo yung party mo. We love you.
Happy birthday, Jordan! Happy birthday, Jordan! We love you!
Happy birthday, Jordan! We love you!